Hello, today I will show you how to do a very simple modification to your car's throttle body to improve responsiveness and power. Really simple, just takes a few minutes and you can do it while cleaning your throttle body, and you only have to do this once. So basically, for an engine to function at its peak, the air intake needs to be as cold as possible. However, for most modern cars, the coolant loops through the throttle body. This is a de-icing mechanism used to prevent your throttle plate from seizing up in cold and sub-zero climates. However, for warmer climates with above zero temperatures, this actually works against us, as your engine effectively warms up the throttle body and the air that's passing through. So what we're gonna do is just to bypass the throttle body altogether and have the coolant loop back to the engine. That way, no coolant flows past the throttle body. So first, you need to gain access to your throttle body and its surroundings. Please see my other video on how to do so, links are in description.
So what you want to do is just, so for your case it may be different. For mine, my hoses are long enough such that I can loop the coolant directly back without buying additional hoses, but yours may be different. So if you need to buy the same inner diameter and outer diameter of hose to connect with the appropriate length. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove one side of the hose that used to connect to the throttle body, and I'm going to try and do this as surgically as I can. So, and you have to be quick here, because once you remove this hose, coolant is going to start leaking out. So you're going to have to be really quick here. So I am just going to remove this, and I'm going to quickly loop this in over to the other side. And I'm going to close everything up together, and that's it. This is a really easy way to boost responsiveness and horsepower and torque of your car by having your coolant bypass the throttle body altogether. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and stay tuned. Goodbye for now.